Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to review Media Cloud Pro 2.0. So let's start. So what is Media Cloud Pro? Media Cloud Pro is an innovative tool designed for graphic designers, affiliate marketers, digital marketers, small business owners and individuals who want to get their content on internet. It allows users to search and download stock images, GIFs, vectors and much more. The best thing about Media Cloud Pro is it has more than 9 million media assets to choose from. Media Cloud Pro not only just allows us to search for stock images and download them, but also it has two image editing software built inside it with which you can do basic to advanced image editing. With Media Cloud Pro 2.0, you can easily search and download for stock images, vector, GIFs, logos and other media files. Also, you can convert one media file to another format, upload, download and share graphics, images, memes and much more with just few clicks. Media Cloud Pro has more than 9 million media assets to choose from, and from where we can search and find our desired content. The content it has is images, vectors, GIFs, stickers, icons, graphics, logos and much more. Let's talk about the features of Media Cloud Pro. Now Media Cloud Pro has amazing features like more than 9 million media assets available to download. It supports multiple media formats like GIF, JPG, PNG and more. It has powerful two image editing software built inside it. One is for basic level editing and another one is for foolproof hardcore graphic editing software just like Photoshop. The nice thing about Media Cloud Pro is it is completely web-based application, so it does not require any supercomputer or high configuration computer. It basically can run on your computer with limited resources. It has social media built in, so you can create posts and images and graphics and post it directly on your Facebook or Pinterest account. It has more than 3000 logo templates available which you can download and customize it according to your need. One of the nicest feature this Media Cloud Pro has that it has stock images, vectors, media, graphics, everything available. Also it has the editing software built inside it, so that means you do not need to go to separate software or to another website to search for things, then download it and then edit it. All you can do, you can go to Media Cloud Pro and then you can search for the image, you can download it, you can edit it and from there only you can post it to the social media. So this is the best thing which you can get with your money. You do not need any kind of experience to start this or to get into this. It is very simple and a completely newbie can start this. It does not require any kind of special skill or any kind of knowledge about the software. Okay, so now question arises, why I should go for Media Cloud Pro? So there are multiple answers to this question. You know, the simplest one is like today everyone is moving towards graphics, toward visuals, and therefore images are very important for us to get our customers, our users engaged with our services and with our product, and therefore we need this software. But that's not all. It also can help you boost your website traffic, boost your business sales. Let me tell you how. Tell me how many times you have searched images on Google. I think we all have done this a lot, many more times, and we even don't know how many times we do it in every day. Have you ever observed that what update that Google has brought in to its image search? If you will look at it very closely, then you can see whenever you download an image from Google or when you just click on the image, you can see a visit button. When you click on that, the source of that image will open, like the website will open where this image is from. So why am I telling you this? The reason behind it is like if a person searches for an image, so let's suppose if Google brings your image as a search result and when user click on that image, the user has an option to click on visit button so that he can directly go to your website. So that is how a user engagement with your website is been done with images. So in today's world, images are really important and it can help your content grow. You know, they say words tell but images sell, and that is true. In today's era, if you want to make an impact on your customers, so you have to have that awesome graphics designed for you, that image, that GIF, that that visual infographics which you need in your content to boost your engagement, to get more traffic, to get more sales. And as we know, the attention time of a user these days is just 2 to 3 seconds, and in 2 to 3 seconds you have to make that impact. You have to appeal to your customer so that he can buy your product, he can get your service. So that is why in today's world, images and infographics are really very important. So how does it work? Well, using Media Cloud Pro is really very simple. It just has 3 basic steps. The first step is like you have to open the software, go to that software and search for the image which you are looking for. You can customize that image which you have selected from the search result shown in Media Cloud Pro. And the number 3rd is you can save and publish that image to your social media pages, to your website, to your content, and get the best user attention and engagements. So not only this, if you are an individual, you can use this for your own business. And if you want to create a business with this, you can do that also. You can create a business which earns you a lot of money with the help of Media Cloud Pro. Let me tell you how. So suppose you're an entrepreneur and you want to create digital marketing agency. And for digital marketing agency, the basic thing which you need is a lot of graphic design, and this is exactly where Media Cloud Pro comes in. Here you have a lot of media available to you, a lot of media in different file format available to you. Here you have vectors, images, logos, infographics, graphic design, everything available to you. Not only you can download the things, you can also customize it and upload it, and then you can use it in your ad campaigns for your customers and your clients. And to cover you up here, Media Cloud Pro provides you the agency rights with which you can get a commercial license to use all the media files available inside Media Cloud Pro for your clients commercially. Now let me give you a quick comparison of pricing of Media Cloud Pro and some of its competitors. Now who are the competitors? Competitors are all the websites and softwares available inside the market which are doing the same thing but charging a huge amount of money. For an example, if we talk about Photoshop, so either you pay a big monthly fees, or if you try to buy this, you have to pay a huge amount of money for that too. Or if you talk about Canva, Shutterstock, iStock, Wix logo and many other, so they charge you near about $9 to $65 for a particular image or for a monthly subscription. But here is the good news. You can get all of these features, the editing software features, and also more than 9 million media assets available for you at your fingertips. You can just go, click, download, edit, customize and upload. It will save you a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of money. And guys, that's not all. If you are not convinced with Media Cloud Pro, Media Cloud Pro also provides 30 days money back. So if you say that you are not convinced with this software, you don't want to grow your business, you don't want to go out in market and create content that is appealing, you don't want to promote your products, services, or you have changed your mind, doesn't matter. Just tell them within 30 days and they will give you your money back. According to me, I think this is the best software which your money can buy right now, because this is the cheapest deal on the market, and as it is a launch special price and which can go up anytime. So if you are wishing to buy it right now with the link mentioned in the description and save a lot of money. The launch special one-time price of this software is $27 for individual and $37 with agency rights. So you are getting the complete software, the all 9 million media files to you, the editing software, the uploading software, everything for just the price of one single assets available on their competing website. So this is the best deal which you can have right now. Don't think, and you will not regret this deal in your life. To conclude things, I will just say one thing, that this software brings the best value for your money, and this deal is completely risk-free. So you don't have to risk anything, you can just try it. If you like it, keep it, and it will earn you a lot of money. And if you don't like it, you can tell them within 30 days and they can give you your money back. So let me know in comments below how much you like this product. Are you gonna purchase it? Like, share and subscribe my channel to get these amazing offers, deals and products every time. Thank you for watching.